Bantay ni Nat ni Baby Bia. Sama na Bia. Bia, lablab ni Ate Nat na. Oh, nahulog ng nanat. Sama na si Nat. Nat po'y mahugaw niya itong ulan. Lablab niya mo si Bia na.
Yeah?
Lablab niya mo si Bia.
Yes? Always make me funny and then make me laugh because it is all around me.
Ha?
It always loves me. I wish this is grow well and then put a grandma cook and then he still loves me. He's a kid now.
Loves so much ni mo si Bia.
Yep.
Ay, Bia, love ka daw ni Ate Nat na.
He said, yeah.
Bia, love daw ka ni Ate Nat Bia. Bia, love daw ka ni Ate Nat. Nat, babe, Nat, kay matamakan ni mo si Nat, si Bia. Bana po, uy. Kita imong legs. Hi. Hi, Beatrice.
He's looking at me weird. Looking at me secret. Ah, guys, it wipes. He's so cute.
Ayaw, yakapan na. Di siya ka-move. No, makuha na po ng mga unan, di ba ay? Hindi, maganyan na. Hi, Bia. Hi, Beatrice. Hi, Yana.
Guys. Yesterday, Beatrice put his purple diaper and he's good. And I get Mama said he's changed white and then diaper. He's poop early. He's too much poo poo and then we wait.
Then Natalie get diaper and wipes no and water no because she loves Bia. Huh?
I wanna get my heart a teddy bear. Look like my teddy bear.
Hi. Nahulog na ka, oy. Inahulog na among baby.
I see.
Ay, nag-cry na si Bia.